Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to set up neck scratch on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. And for that we just need to open the Galaxy wearable app and make sure that your earbuds are connected to this app and to your phone, and you will see its name here and the battery status. Now to enable this feature we would need to go in the earbud settings. And here you can see the neck scratch reminders. Just select it, and if you want to enable it, just tap on the switcher like that and you will see this instruction that we need to perform a little earbud calibration. So we just need to put in each of the earbuds in the ears. Now press start, and here just look forward with your head level for 10 seconds until you hear a chime. And now you just need to tilt your head down until you hear a chime. And that's it, we just need to press this down button, and now this feature is enabled. So your earbuds can detect your head position and notify you when you have bent your head downward for 10 minutes. If you want to disable it, just tap on the switcher once more, and now it is disabled. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.